Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Sandbird tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Sandbird? Sandbird is a powerful API-based platform that allows developers to integrate in-app messaging, voice, and video chat into mobile or web apps. Think WhatsApp style chat for your own app. Now, on getting started, go to sandbird.com and sign up. After signing in, create a new application. Choose your region and give it a name. Now, install the SDK. Depending on your platform, install the relevant SDK. Next, initialize the SDK. And then, create or join a channel. Now, open a channel, a public chat, and then open also a group channel which is a one-on-one or private. Next, send a receive message or send a message, listen for messages, and next, add typing indicators and read receipts, etc. Sandbird supports typing indicators, read receipts, delivery status, and file sharing. These features vary slightly by platform but are well documented. Now on dashboard tools. Use the Sandbird dashboard to manage users, monitor conversations, and review metrics. You can test chat scenarios without writing any code. For optional add-ons, use Sandbird calls, voice and video calling, Sandbird UI Kit, pre-built UI components to speed up development, and moderation tools, ban users, filter messages, and report abuse. Now, on using Sandbird UI Kit for faster UI development, if you don't want to build the entire chat interface from scratch, Sandbird UI Kit provides pre-built UI components. UI Kit supports messages bubbles, read receipts, typing indicators, reactions, and image file attachments. Also available for iOS, Android, and React Native. For file sharing, you can upload and share images, file, or audio through chat. You can also preview images and videos inside the chat with the UI Kit. Now for push notifications. Set up with FCM or APNs for iOS. Integrate Firebase or Apple push notification services. Register push tokens with Sandbird. For customized notifications, use Sandbird dashboard to control the notification content and behavior. For example, mute channels or notification sounds. Next, for user moderation. For community-based apps, this is key. Tools include user banning or muting, profanity filtering, auto-moderation, and lastly, report abuse APIs. And now for analytics and monitoring. Use the Sandbird dashboard to track active users, monitor message volume, watch error logs, or get insights on user engagement. And lastly, for the integrations, you can integrate Sandbird with Firebase for storage, Auth0 or JWT for user authentication, Zapier for automations like logging new message to Google Sheets, and custom backend services via webhooks or Sandbird's platform APIs. And that's basically it.